Bitwig Vapor with you again. Continuing on Bitwig Studio Samplers course, and we're going to take a look at select modes or select parameters. So let me get this guy open here. Synth. Hopefully you guys are learning a lot, enjoying the course, and getting things figured out. So we're going to go to Create Multi-Sample, and I'm just going to grab a bunch of chords, and we'll put them all on the same key. Let me change this a little bit easier to work with. And 3, 4, let's get one more in here. And I'm in a folder that's A minor, so all the chords are the same. So when I trigger them, they're all the same. So one of the things we can do, let me close this guy, we don't need it anymore, is we can highlight the whole selection, and we can right click and group, and we'll name these guys chords. And now I can change the root key to fit whatever project that I'm working on. But what if we don't want them all to trigger? How do we get this select guy going? So one of the things we can do is highlight the star. The first one, shift, highlight them all, right click, and distribute equally. Now, you can see we've only got, no matter how long I hit that note, it's only the top one being played. So what we can do now is cycle through using the select key. And as you can imagine, one of the cool ways we could mess with that is with a modulator. So let's go ahead and do that just to show you what that looks like. Classic LFO. And we will modulate the select key. And we will make it so that it's every 2 bars cycling through. Now you can see that it's cycling through every 2 bars, every different chord. Give it a little volume here, and I'm going to highlight this, and we'll make it monophonic. And of course, we can utilize all the other features by adjusting the different notes and different samples to really dial in some sound. But I just wanted to give you an idea of one of the ways you can set up your select zone parameter and utilize that for your sound design. So hopefully you've enjoyed going through those different sample features and learning a little bit about some of the updates on the Bitwig sampler. Thanks for tuning in as always. Thanks for push and play, and peace.